I just want to take a minute to tell you about some of the templates I've been creating to make your life a lot easier. Create lower thirds in the blink of an eye with my Luminatrix lower thirds templates. All you have to do is change text, colors, and make a few decisions about how you want things to animate. All the hard work has been done for you. Get professional looking lower thirds that are powered by Essential Graphics so you can use these templates in both After Effects and Premiere. You also want to check out my Text Animator Toolkit. It's also powered by Essential Graphics so you can easily animate text in both After Effects and Premiere. I take away all the guesswork and time that it would normally take you to get professionally animated text layers. With this toolkit, you'll be animating text in a matter of seconds. Check out the link in the description below for access to presets for virtually everything you could possibly want or need, including presets for text to shape layers, film looks, snow effects, text boxes, text animators, shape layer accents like burst and animated circles, and so much more. With these presets, you save a ton of time, and this channel continues to stay alive. Check out courses, templates, project files, and ways to get personalized coaching from my new School of AE.